Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to bake banana pudding. So we're going to start with that. Oh, we just got butterscotch. So we're going to put cold water first.
It doesn't matter yet. Yeah. Okay, and a
can of sweet
condensed milk. Okay, get the spatula in.
And
We have to use a metal bowl because we can't find it.
plastic bowl. Don't know how to that.
Is it all out?
Huh?
Is it all out? Oh yeah.
I'll just put it on that side. And
I'll just put it in the
what?
your spatula in because you're making a mess. No, you don't need that yet. You need to whip
The what?
the water and the. You got it on the right one. Hang on, just see if it'll go first. Because remember, no, put it in the other one. Inject.
No. Mix it all together.
Yes.
I'll just go stop. I'll just put it on.
Now slowly add.
Slowly.
Yes, a little bit at a time. Make sure there's no lumps. Maybe you might put it on that so stop it from moving.
Yeah.
That better?
Yeah.
Okay, and again, just another fucking 2 buckets for this fucking bloody
It's a spout.
yeah. Yeah, this is belt. Does all the time.
Yeah. It's a spout. What? Anyway. What? Actually, I don't need to do.
1.5, 2 there, so you need
2 more.
yeah, well, you might do it all.
I'm putting cream everywhere myself.
Mm.
Is that enough?
No, I'm just going to do all out.
Yeah. What do I need?
So you just whip it until it's sort of on that one. Whip it slowly, just not off it.
So we're gonna.
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, just whisk some of that and then you
Mm.
can turn it off.
Yeah.
Some of that pudding,
How many? How
or
much?
just, yeah, you might need the spatula. Oh yeah, just enough. Okay,
Is it enough?
yeah, just cover it to see if it's covered the bottom. You can put a little bit more if you want. Oh no.
Nah.
Okay.
It's. Do you think it's covered?
Yep, that's
Yeah.
covered. Okay, now
So, like how?
you just lay them on. No, yeah.
Like that?
Yep.
Yeah, that will be talk of the town tomorrow.
And you want to lift it up so they can see.
Yeah. I'm not seeing the thing, Mum.
Eh?
I can't see the bowl.
Well, what you can see.
See what I'm doing?
There.
I don't know if I'm doing it right.
Just cover some of them and then that's all right because then you're going to put your bananas on top. Okay. That's good. Okay.
Who is that?
Dad with the cobblestones.
Need to do it. Put some of the bloody computer.
Okay, now put them on top of the
Put. Put.
Haven't got your hearing aids in.
No. Why? Why? I don't think my hearing aids are doing for me. Spread it around. Yeah.
Okay, now to put another layer of biscuits all over.
Come on. I'm dancing. Leave me alone.
You're splitting them?
Huh?
No. Put them on.
What, splitting of what?
I've cut them in half, remember?
No. We're going to put it in the fridge now. Thank you for watching my video how to make banana pudding. If you guys want this recipe, the link down in the description down below. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.